Hi, it's Bernie with 4 Patriots, and today I'm going to walk you through how to assemble your Patriot Pure Ultimate Water Filtration System. Assembly is really just 3 steps: attaching the spigot, putting the handle on the lid, and putting in the filter. Let's start with the spigot. Carefully detach the plastic nut and 2 flexible gaskets from the spigot screw, leaving the 3rd flexible gasket in place. Let's set these aside for now. Now with the stainless steel base, fit the spigot screw with the gasket into the hole on the outside of the base. From the inside, slide the 2 remaining gaskets back on the spigot and then attach the wing nut. Twist the nut in place just until it's finger tight. You don't need to over tighten this. Next, fit the rubber ring onto the base. This protects your countertop and prevents any slipping. Now you're ready to install the important part: your Patriot Pure Nano Mesh Gravity Filter Shell. Good news, your filter comes ready to install. Just take the threaded end and place it through any of the 4 holes in the floor of the stainless steel top. Then, take your filter with the gasket and screw it in like so. Now, if you've purchased additional filters to make your filtering ultra fast, go ahead and insert those into one of the other holes. If not, insert rubber stoppers in the remaining holes, pressing down until they're snug. Now let's assemble the lid. Remove the small screw and washer from the knob center using a small screwdriver. Place the washer on the inside of the lid over the hole and put the screw through both the washer and the hole. Hold it in place with your finger and put the knob over the screw on the outside, finger tightened. Then tighten the screw with the screwdriver to fully secure the knob. And now you're ready to complete the assembly. Simply set the stainless steel top on the stainless steel base and put on the lid. The only thing left to do before use is to flush the new filter. You simply need to run about 1 gallon of water through each filter for about 10 minutes, and that's it. Now your Patriot Pure Ultimate Water Filtration System is ready to go.